Good morning, everyone. I'm Saion Gupta, the founder of Tennis Coder Kids and an official Guinness record holder for the youngest computer programmer in the world. And today we are going to be solving an complex Olympiad question, right? That is a mathematical question from the chapter Triangles of class 9th. Alright, so let's start. So, what we have is that O is any point in the interior of a triangle ABC. So, here's point O, and it is a part of ABC. So, it's in the interior of ABC. Now, we have to prove that AB plus AC. So, AB plus AC. Sorry, AB is this. Sorry, AB plus AC is greater than OB plus OC. So how are we going to do this? So basically we need one construction for this question, and that is OD, right? So we have to draw OD, that is just an extension of the BO line, right? And in the now to prove this we have to take the triangle ABD, right? So in the triangle ABD, using the property of triangles that sum of two sides is always greater than the third side, we are going to say that AB plus AD is greater than BD, because sum of two sides is always greater than the third side, right? And we can also say that AB plus AD is greater than BO plus OD, because BD is basically BO plus OD. Next, in triangle DCO, what can we say? We can say that OD plus DC is greater than OC, right? So OD plus DC is greater than OC, right? So this was our equation 1 above. This was our equation 2 that we have just shown. So when we add the two equations, what do we get? We get AB plus AD plus OD plus DC is greater than OC plus OD plus OB, right? And from this we can see that OD and OD are cutting, and AD plus DC is essentially just, so AD plus DC is essentially just AC. So we can say AB plus AC is greater than OC plus OB, and the first part is proved. Now the second part is saying that AB plus BC plus C is greater than OA plus OB plus OC. Now this may look complex, but we have already proven more than half of it. We have shown that AB plus AC is greater than OB plus OC. So we just have to show that basically in both the sides, in the left hand side BC is being added, and on the right hand side basically what is being added, we are adding OA, right? So on the left hand side we are right hand side we are adding OA, and on the left hand side we are adding BC, right? So to prove this, it is much simpler than you actually think. What you have to do, we have to write similar to what we did right now, right? Similar to what we did right now. So you are going to write similarly. After solving what we did right now, you have to write similarly. So we had shown that AB plus AC is greater than OC plus OB. Similarly, we can show that AC plus BC is greater than OB plus OA, and BC plus AB, so AB, BC plus AB, BC is this, AB is this, is greater than OC plus OA, right? And this is also basically using your property of basically whatever we did over here. Just repeat the steps. If you want to verify this, you just have to repeat the steps for the other two sides and the other two sides. Then it will basically show that these results we will be getting, right? And after getting this, we will add all the three equations. So we can see there are two ABs, so 2AB plus there are two BC, so 2BC plus there are two AC, so 2AC is greater than there are two OCs, right, plus two OBs plus two OAs, right? And on both the sides we have 2, so we get after cutting them we get AB plus BC plus AC is greater than OC plus OB plus OA, and this is what we had to prove, right? So this is what we had to prove. And proving the third side to be basically third part. Proving the third part is very easy, so we just get rid of all of this very quickly. Alright, so the third part it's saying that OA plus OB plus OC is greater than half AB plus AC plus BC. So till now we had proven that AB plus BC plus CA is greater than OA plus OB plus OC. Now we have to prove that the part that was less is now greater than half AB plus AC plus BC. So this is actually simpler than we think it is. So we are just going to draw whatever we had drawn before, and we don't need the D point also, right? We only need this that I have drawn. Now in this one interesting thing we see, let's just label it all up. You can see OA plus OB will be greater than AB. Why? Using the basically when two sides of a triangle are added up, they will always be greater than the third side. So OA plus OB is greater than AB, right? Similarly, OA plus OC will be greater than AC. OA plus OC will be greater than AC. And OB plus OC will be greater than BC. OB plus OC will be greater than BC. So when we add all the three equations, what we get? We get a 2OA plus OB plus OC is greater than AB plus BC plus CA. And if we take this to this side, we are going to get OA plus OB plus OC is greater than AB plus BC plus CA divided by 2. Right? So these were all the three parts proven in this video. Thank you guys. I hope you like the video, and I'll see you next time.